Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. But today, I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make some easy and delicious, listen, these are just brown sugar banana pancakes. I don't want to over talk this right here. Super easy, not a whole lot of ingredients. And listen, this is something you can get in there with your family, your loved one or whatever, and you guys can have some fun in the kitchen. Now for me, if you look right here, I'm gonna be using my griddle, right? You can use whatever you have. Now, going over these ingredients, obviously I said banana, right? So look, we gotta have bananas. These are like some fresh bananas. I mentioned brown sugar, so there's brown sugar, buttermilk, flour, baking powder, right? Hey, you gotta have something that's gonna put in there that's gonna make them ride. You want to be nice and fluffy, right? Then we got a little salt, vanilla extract, and what's this? You know what this is. You know we gotta have a large egg. Hey, look, and then of course, you know you gotta have some Canadian syrup, right? Hey, this goes out to my boy, Snoop, out there in Canada, sent me something really true, authentic. Hey, thanks, bro. Now, you see it's not a whole lot of ingredients. Oh, let me just show you one more thing. Check it out, I'm gonna get it down just like we do in the back. You know, we do the short order thing. We're gonna take this, we're gonna fill it up, we're gonna do like this, and we finna make pancakes, folks. Let's get it. Okay, so look, we're gonna start out by putting our dry ingredients in here, minus the brown sugar, right? So we'll just go ahead and put our flour, baking powder, and salt. Now you wanna go ahead and get yourself a whisk. And what we're gonna do is just incorporate all this and mix it, you know, so it's true and thoroughly mixed, right? Now, once you got this done, we're gonna set this off to the side. Now, we're gonna start working with our wet. Hey, and I just wanna say this right here, you see this? Look, I done had several people, man, I probably got about 7 of these. You know, everybody didn't leave a name, you know, that sent this, but I wanna say, hey, thank you. This is a great masher. Okay, so in your second bowl, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take ourselves 2 bananas, right? Let me get these off. Now let me get these peeled and we're gonna put them inside and we're gonna mash them. Okay, so got that in here, right? Now check this out, look right here. You see I got 2 tablespoons of butter, right? I'm gonna go ahead and take this here. I'm gonna put it right there on top of my griddle. This is obviously, this is stainless steel. This little bowl right here, heat up, and that's gonna melt that because we're gonna need that in 1 second. Now, if you come back here, I'm gonna take my masher, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start mashing this just like this. Okay, look, this right here is good. I hope you guys can see that. You see how I got like just a little bit of lump, but look, you see that? That's the consistency you want to look for. It'd be hard to get that completely flat without using you know, some type of blender. But that right there, that's fire. Now what we're gonna do is add our brown sugar, right? Our vanilla extract. Then we're gonna crack this egg, get that going. Our buttermilk. Now our whisk. And now we're getting ready to make that batter, folks. We got that mixed up, right? Let me go ahead, we're gonna get our butter. I'm gonna go ahead, look, I done made this mistake before. You know, grabbing it when this is hot. Metal on that, that'll be hot, right? So we'll take our melted butter, we'll add that. Now to be honest with you, there is no order you can do this. You could have added that when it was all dry before you added your milk and your egg. It doesn't make a difference. But this is just happened to be the way I do it. And I wanna tell you this, right now it becomes really, really fragrant once you hit it with that butter. You guys will be back and tell me. All right, so you see that right there? That's gonna be perfect. Okay, so look, now we'll move this over here. We'll bring our dry ingredients, right? And now we'll just go ahead and pour this in here just like you see, you guys. Now I'm gonna take my whisk and I'm gonna go ahead and just start. I like to roll it when I bring things in. You guys been watching me. This right here just gets it, I don't know what it does, but this is just the way that I do it. You guys find whatever method that works with you, you know? Then we don't want to overbeat it, right? So we'll just go like this, and then you'll know because of all of the dry ingredients will be gone. All right, so this is what it should look like. Man, these are gonna be perfect. The right consistency, the whole shebang. So now, I showed you guys earlier, I'm gonna be using this, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, let me go ahead and do it this way. All right, so look, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get myself a little butter, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it down here. So we got it like that. Now it's time to go ahead and just drop some right here. All right, so these are done, right? So I'm gonna stack them like this. They nice and hot. You know what I mean? We'll take them, get them like that. Whew. All they screaming for is some butter, folks. Now, then we'll bring them along like this. We'll add these on top too. And look at that right there. Brown sugar banana pancakes. Fire, folks. Go ahead and give me a little butter. Start putting it in there and let that heat, you know, melt it. And tell me what you think. Hey, check it out. Look at that right there, folks. Hey, them right there is fire. Now, I'm gonna grab my bananas. I'm finna take this. We finna go in the house. Hey, listen, I'm finna go ahead and cut these up, show you guys how I eat mine. You know, take a couple of pictures for the thumbnail, and then I'm finna let y'all know, and I'm finna certify these. These are the ooh-wee. All right, so look, like I said, came inside, starting to warm up or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and peel my banana. Just gonna cut me a couple of slices. You know what I mean? We'll just take this. I'll put that there because I'll eat that guy. You know what I mean? We're just gonna start cutting something like this. It's all about that presentation, right? We can arrange them after we get them cut. Now, I take a little powdered sugar, put that in my little strainer. We'll hit it like this. And I want you guys to tell me, what do you think? All right, so now, hey, you see it. I told you I like banana pancakes, right? Gotta have the bananas on the side. Got that powdered sugar over the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it like this. Just like you see there, let it go all the way around. Just let it drizzle down the side, and boom, folks. There she wrote. All right, so look, I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut me some. You know what I mean? We'll just cut them like this. Move that banana over there on that side a little bit. I'm gonna cut down here. Hey, you know what? What's the cool thing about it is, if your grandma used to make them, I could feel it when I was cutting. That little edge right here, oh my goodness. That right there, folks, let me know down in the comment section below if you know what I'm talking about. That edge, that little crispiness, that's old school right there. Hey, not none of that new IHOP stuff. Gotta have that little crust on the side. But you see that right there? Hey, look at that. Let me bring it up close so y'all can see it. All right, so enough of that. All that food porn and all of that. It's time to eat, folks. Let me adjust my hat. Cheers, y'all. Ooh. I got to go in here and get me a little bit more. The jury's still out. All right, here we go. If you guys never had banana flavored or brown sugar and banana in your pancake, this is all you need. Only thing missing right now, and I can hear y'all saying it, I can hear y'all now saying, oh man, I like to have like 3 over easy eggs. Outside of that, that's it. Hold on one second. Oh man. Now it might seem like every time I get to one of these videos, at the end of it, I'm like, whoo, this is the best. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie to you guys, whatever I make on this channel, you know what, it's for y'all, but listen, everything that we make here is fire, hands down. Hey, I can't say it enough. You know what, bananas, if you like bananas, this is a must-have. You can serve this with you can even sprinkle this with some granola. You can put some nuts on the top, however you want to do it. But for me, like I said earlier, over easy eggs, hey, about 4 slices of bacon, and I'm in heaven, folks. Hey, with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Then check this out. If you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and smash and ring that bell, right? That way you can be notified anytime I drop any of these fire breakfast recipes, grilling recipes, cooking recipes, yada, yada, yada. Hey, with that being said, I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.